Hello, student of class 9. I hope everybody is fine out there after the Shera. So, we were doing climate chapter 4. So, today we are going to do page number 28. Before that, we have already done the concept of the climate and weather differentiation. What kind of a climate India has, and what are the climatic controls and the factors affecting the climatic conditions of India. Clear? Now, today we are going to do, I'm going to only tell the main points. Clear? The main topic. One of the main topic is here jet stream. What is a jet stream? Clear? These jet streams are located approximately over 27 degree 30 degree north latitude. Therefore, they are known as a subtropical westerly jet stream. Over India, these jet streams blow south of the Himalayas all through the year except in summer. The western cyclonic disturbance experiences the north and the northwestern part of the country, which are brought in by the westerly flow. Clear? Now, the subtropical westerly jet stream moves from the north of the Himalayas with the apparent movement of the sun. An easterly jet stream called the subtropical easterly jet stream blows over the peninsular India. So, here you can find out in the book also small definition of the jet stream also. Okay. So let us move towards the Indian monsoon. What is an Indian monsoon? Monsoon means what? Rainy season. Clear? So the climate of India is strongly influenced by the monsoon wind. The sailors who came to India in historic times were one of the first to have noticed the phenomenon of the monsoon. They benefited from the reversal of the wind system as they came by sailing ships of the mercy of the winds. Now, who were these travelers? These travelers were the Arabs. Clear? They had come to India as the traders and they named this seasonal reversal as a monsoon. Clear, children? Now in this monsoon, you can experience a tropical area roughly between 20 degree north and 20 degrees south also. So to understand the mechanism of monsoon, the following facts are there. Very important following facts are there. They are the five of the fact. Differential heating and cooling of land and water. Shift of the position of the intertropical convergence zone known as the ITCZ. The presence of the high pressure area east of Madagascar. The Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated. And number 5, the movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas. These are the 5 of the main factors which helps in the mechanism of the monsoon. Clear? Now, before that, going to this, very important, you have to understand how this monsoon appear in India. Clear? Now, apart from this, we are also going to learn about the El Nino and Enso. Now, what is the El Nino and Enso? Clear? Now, periodic change in pressure condition is known as a southern oscillation, that is known as an ESO. Difference in pressure over the Tahiti and the Darwin is computed to predict the intensity of the monsoon. If the pressure differences are negative, it would have been below average and late monsoon. So a feature connected with the ESO is known as the El Nino phenomenon. Okay, and the changes in the pressure conditions are also connected to the El Nino. That is why both of southern oscillations or ESO is coordinated with the phenomenon El Nino known as the ENSO. Together they are known as ENSO. They are known as El Nino southern oscillation. Clear? Now, how these monsoon comes, how it arrives, the onset of the monsoon and the withdrawal. Clear? So, monsoon, unlike the trades, they are not steady winds, but they are pulsating in nature. Duration of the monsoon is between 100 to 120 days from early June to mid-September. Around the time of its arrival, the normal rainfall increases suddenly and it continuously rains for the several days. These are known as the brush of the monsoon. Brush means what? The first raindrop. Clear? And it can be distinguished from the pre-monsoon showers. Now, the monsoon always arrives from the southern part. Okay, always from the southern part of the Indian peninsula by the first week of June, and it proceeds into the 2 branches. One is the Arabian branches and one is your Bay of Bengal branches. So the Arabian Sea branches reaches Mumbai about 10 days later on approximately 10th of June, and this is fairly very much rapid advance. And the Bay of Bengal branch, they also advance rapidly and arrives in Assam in the first week of June. Clear? So, the lofty mountain causes the monsoon winds to deflect towards the west over the Ganga plains, and by mid-June, the Arabian Sea branch of the monsoon arrives over Saurashtra, Kutch and the central part of the country. Always remember that our Indian, the map is always like this in a V shape. So, always remember the first monsoon always brushed from the southern, it will go to the Arabian branch and it will go to the Bay of Bengal branch. Clear? After that, it will go to the western side, that is the Saurashtra Kutch, and in the central part of the country. Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches of the monsoon merge over the northwestern of the Ganga plain, and Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. Clear? And by the first week of July, western UP, Punjab, Haryana, eastern Rajasthan experience the monsoon. And at last, by mid-July, the monsoon reaches Himachal Pradesh and the rest of the country. Okay, so this is how the answer to the how it spread. Now withdrawal means not retreat of the monsoon. It is a very gradual process. Again, the withdrawal of the monsoon begins in the western states of India by the early September, and by mid-October it withdraws complete from the northern half of the peninsula. So the withdrawal from the southern half of the peninsula is fairly rapid, and by the end of the December the monsoon has already withdrawn from the rest of the country. So Ireland also received the very first monsoon showers progressively from south to north. Then from last week of the April to the first week of May, withdrawal takes place progressively from the north to south from the first week of December to the first week of January. So by this, the rest of the country is already under the influence of the winter monsoon. Okay, children. So till this much for today. We are going to come to the next page 31, 32 and 33 in the next video. Okay. So thank you children.